In your web browser on PC, go to the Bird Group page and find model examples under Experiences. Select Edit in Studio. If you're new to Studio, the easiest option is to open the toolbox and find something you like. I'll insert Obama. Once you have a model you like, drag it into the main module in the Explorer, right-click Main Module, and select Save to Roblox. Give your model a title, enable Distribute on Creator Store, and click Submit. You will see an ID number. Click the rectangles to copy this number. Paste this ID in the field below. Click Create Model. Congratulations! You can now insert your model.